Hi, gandang gabi po mga my friend. Welcome back po sa my friend PH. So, another reaction video lang tayo. Wala naman tayong idadagdag o ibabawas, but as of now, I'm watching yung yung rally sa Liwasan ng Bonifacio. Naglaro ako kasi may game kami. Then I just reach back home right now. Check ng update. Napanood ko ngayon I'm watching right now yung speech ni Senator Bongo. Nakakalungkot, to be honest. Ang hirap hindi justified, but tanong dun parang what they want to get out of this sa opposition. What? Yung sinasabi ng EJK? Human rights? I agree, I sympathize to the victim naman. However, did you come to think of it, paano yung mga biktima na ginawa ng kalokohan ng mga yan? Did you think of it? Pamilyang pinirwisyo, batang ginahasa, dalagang ninakawan, sinaksak, pinatay, lolang ginahasa, pinatay, para matuloy yung bisyo nila. Hindi naman tayo perfect, no? We're not perfect in this world, but if you would seek justice to these people, yes, they do deserve to live. Pero paano yung victim na? Paano yung victim nila? Do they think na they deserve to live too? Galit ba kayo dahil sa ginawa niya? Or galit kayo dahil sa dami na nagawa niya para sa Pilipinas? 32 million votes, more than, is not a joke. Sige, given the fact, kiniklaim nyo na what? EJK, pumatay ng ganito, nagutos ng ganyan, DDS, or whatsoever na binibintang nyo. Then why people, majority of the Filipinos still love him? Why? Dahil yun ay para sa kapakanan ng mabubuting Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas. Sacrifices have to be made. Yes. Oo, tama yung sinasabi nyo na masama, pumatay, o namatay, whatsoever na yan, kung ano man nasisip ninyo. But, again, it's for the majority. Hindi nyo ba nakikita ngayon? Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas have one thing in common: to bring back PRRD. Kasi bakit? Sige nga, tingin nyo, kung ang tao kriminal, mamahalin ba ng taong bayan yan? Hindi. Who would? But he only did that for the benefit of the majority of the Filipino in which he loves. Walang presidente ang nakagawa ng mga pangako niya from the campaign until they sat doon sa posisyon. Oo, hindi nasugpo. Pero he only did that for the love of the Filipino people. Siya lang ang umarap, lumaban sa lahat. I mean, if you would ask me, he don't deserve this shit. Oh, people might be against me on my point of view. People might have different perception, I guess. But what I believe personally, on my own opinion, na si Tatay Digong ang the best presidente, na naging presidente ng Pilipinas. Not because of what he's done, but it's because how he show his love to the Filipino people. Again, may kanya-kanya tayong opinion, paniniwala, sinusuportahan, and I do respect that. But again, this is what I believe, this is what I stand, and no one have done a better good job than our Tatay Digong. Cursed me, sympathize to those victims, and I do as well. But imagine the victims of those people na ginawa nila ng krimen para lang, alam mo yun, matugunan ang vision nila. Na-interview nyo ba yung mga yan? Did you even ask their side? No. Is that being fair? Well, if you'd ask me, no. Again, ito po yung thoughts ko. God bless to each and everyone. Bring back Tatay Digong back here in the Philippines. God bless.